guys, welcome back to my channel. New day, new video. My name is Amanda and this is the Chic Damsel. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're new to this channel, I post videos for ladies in their late 20s to mid 30s. We talk about fashion and hairstyles. I do wig reviews, affordable styles. Usually I try to keep it below like $40 because that's the most I'll spend on wigs. I also do fashion tips and tricks. We discuss shopping, how to dress for our body types, and all that good stuff. So if you're new here, welcome again. Today I'm reviewing this wig, Sensational. Actually, is it sensational? Yes, Sensationnel Angel Face. That's the baby we're seeing today. This is what the stock card looks like from the Curls and Kinks collection. And if you've seen my previous video, the one about also Sensational Zinnia, it's kind of the same vibe. This one is in a color Money Piece Hazel. I'm reading it. Why am I reading backwards? And I'm like reading it. It's Money Piece Hazel, which is kind of a brown. I really like brown and I decided to try this. It says that it's textured, so it's a textured lace wig, whatever that means, honestly, I don't know. And it's safe up to 350 and 400 degrees. My advice to you, don't do it. Your wig is gonna melt. This is synthetic, it's not human, so don't do it. Yeah, I see what texture I mean now. Like, this is not even yucky. It's almost like that hair that's been like, natural hair that's been like pressed and curled. That's what it's giving me. It's full. But the color is beautiful. Look at that. Look at this brown. That's like a cute ombre brown. All right, well, let's try it on, guys. Ta-da! My wig cap is peeking through, so I may have to remove that and try it without the wig cap. But God, guys, oh my gosh. I'm looking at my mirror and this is so gorgeous. Look at this. I love this ombre. Look at those two pieces in the front, how they're like blonde, light, kinda. And then the rest is dark, like at the root. I like these two pieces, very cute. And it's like around my face, so framing it. Woo-wee! Okay, so I'm going to cut the lace and I will come back to you and show you what it looks like. And I'll tell you if I did anything else to it. So, okay, I changed my top first off because I didn't realize that this whole time it looked like it had spots on it. I don't know why, because I just did laundry. So I'm washing it again and it was wrinkled. Okay, this wig is gorgeous. I'm sure you can tell for yourself. I'm not, you see the color, you see the cut, you see the texture, you see the curls. This wig is gorgeous. Okay, so let me tell you what I did after I changed my shirt. I went ahead and cut the lace in the front. The thing that honestly stood out to me, and at first I was like, it was the lace. The color of the lace is so light. I had to use my spray, my even spray. I'll also link it in the description box to tint the lace to my liking. So I had to go maybe like once or twice, but now look at it, like seamless blending. I haven't cut any baby hairs. Obviously, you could if you wanted to. I haven't. You know how I feel about baby hairs. Same thing. I just wanted to do as little as possible so I could come to you and show you what it looked like. I did have to pluck. So I kind of ripped my lace actually because I had to pluck some of the hairs here in the front. It's like the parting space was complete. It was well done, like wide all the way down there, and then here in the front there was like a bit of hair, like some chunks of hair. So I had to rip that out. And when I did, yeah, a bit of lace came out with that. So I'm probably going to get some shedding. So far I'm not, but I'm sure I'll get eventually some shedding. So those are the only two things I did, honestly. I haven't even brushed it yet, which is crazy. All I did, spray tint the lace, and then open up the part in the front a little bit more. No powder, no nothing. The parting space is pretty big, like 5 inches, you'd say, give or take. I feel like that's the standard. We always say 5 inches when we don't know, but I think it's about 5 inches of parting space. The curls are gorgeous. Like, I mean, this hair is just gorgeous all throughout. So it's not even a dark root. It's almost like a 2 at the root right here. And then it's a 30. The curls are voluminous. So girls, if you're like me and you like this style and this kind of curls, this is for us. I haven't brushed it, but I'm sure you could. But I haven't brushed it. I like the texture. I think I like the textured wigs probably better than the Yaki, like the Sensational Zinnia. I like this one better because it's, even though it is curly like that one, and I'll put a link if you haven't seen that video, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Although it is curly and kind of the same curl pattern away from your face, you can still run your fingers through it. That one, remember, I had taken it out of the package and it was already tangling. And this one, it's not. I think also because this one has some layers in it, as you can see. It has like these layers here in the front. It has like these layers. So this wig is gorgeous. This is definitely like going out wig. Like, it's everything. I love it. I would give it a 9. Well, I'll give it an 8.5 just because of the lace. But on the scale of 1 to 10, like being beginner friendly, it's definitely like probably like an 8.5 to like a 9, because the only thing you really have to do is just make sure you tint the lace or use powder, like whatever methods work for you best. I would say it's probably 22 inches, probably 22 inches. Oh, here comes the shedding, you know, here comes the shedding from me ripping my lace in the front. I knew that was going to happen. Honestly, this is one that I may even buy in a darker color and just keep it in my stash because I love the curl pattern. It's so gorgeous. I'm so glad I bought this color. So what do you think? Is it a yay or a nay? Tell me what you think. I love it. Absolutely love it. Perfect to add to your stash for the holiday season. Thanksgiving is coming up soon in like basically a few days. So this is it. This should be your go-to. Tell me if you like this wig. If you've bought it, tell me what you thought. What was your experience with it? I absolutely do like it. All the hair to the back. You see how much volume it has. Bouncy curls, juicy curls. Love it. Tell me what you think. As always, please thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't. Hello, what are you waiting for? And tell me also what you'd like to see next. I would love to get like suggestions from you, so feel free to hop in the comments and let me know. All the details will be in the description box. Again, this was less than $30. Oh, I mistakenly said in the beginning that it was a lace frontal. It's not, it's a lace front, so a big difference. Not a lace frontal. A lace frontal you can part anywhere. This is a lace front, and you can just like shift it. Actually, let's shift it. You can shift it. It's cute even when you shift. My lace ripped, guys. See? Look, the lace ripped. I told you when I plucked in the front. Oh crap, that ripped. Oh man. I'm gonna purchase a new one. Like, I have to keep it. I have to have this in my stash. So I am gonna go buy a new one, and it's gonna stay in my stash. Now I know, so I'll be careful when I open up the part. But anyhow, this is so wild. Just as it's about to wrap up, look at this. It's like ripped. Look, it's like ripped in the front. This is wild. Anyhow, so I really hope you enjoy this. Again, let me know what you like to see, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.